The fourth golden criteria for property investment in New Zealand is to avoid buying or developing a property on the last land plot in a neighborhood or a bigger subdivision development, as often they have the highest price land cost. In other words, only prefer to buy in areas with strong visibility of more land sales within the region into the future. Now, land costs can significantly impact your property value in the long run. In essence, you should avoid buying the last property on the last few land plots within a larger neighborhood or development. And here's why. Over in New Zealand, in the case of a subdivision, the early to mid stage of a land development typically offer the best value for investors. These stages are often characterized by more attractive land prices, which can translate into better investment potential and a larger safety of margins. However, this is not really a hard and fast rule, as there could be exceptions in some later stage land or property sales due to market conditions or exceptional factors in the neighborhood. Now, for infill developments like townhouses, buying in a neighborhood with strong visibility of more similar developments into the future will represent a good value entry point for investors. Now, a neighborhood that has already been heavily intensified with townhouses may see lesser such land sale for future townhouses development as compared to an area that's only starting to see townhouses sprouting up. If you're unfamiliar with what an infill development means, look out for my future videos as I'll explain more. Now, here's why it matters to you as property investors. Buying a property with strong visibility of land sales into the future is critical. It means that more similar infill developments or subdivisions are planned and in the pipeline for the area. And this is usually due to the increased demand for properties in that location as population grows. Land costs typically rises over time, especially when demand for housing increases in the area. And having the ability to buy in the early to mid stage ensures that you have a price advantage over other future developments in the area with a higher land cost. And as such, you will enjoy an organic uplift in property valuation over time. And investing in a property in the early to middle stage of a subdivision or in an area with a strong visibility of future developments can lead to better potential for value appreciation. As the area continues to develop and attract more residents, property prices are likely to increase, benefiting you as investors. If you're unfamiliar with the New Zealand market and would like to have a conversation to gain clarity regarding these property options and criteria that could pair you to the possibilities available in New Zealand, feel free to reach out to me with a private message. If you have found this useful, remember to share and like this video, and do remember to follow me as we review the next criteria in our next video that will better to help you to decide where to invest and buy in